Hello everyone, my name is Neha Danavle from Brisang Training Institute and I am going to share this technical video on clinical research clinical research process. First we see what is clinical research. It is conducted or it is a study of or it is a research plan that uses human as a subject to investigate a new drug or new kind of therapy or devices to approve that are effective for that treatment or therapy. So this includes the clinical trials and that are divided into some of the phases that are designed to obtain accurate information about that phases or that trial, and the number of participants are also enrolled in this process with their consent, and the researchers also seek approval. uh, Researchers have to seek or must seek approval from the research ethics committee, and there is also ethical board to process a new phases of trial, and clinical trials are last for about 15 years, that last for 15 years, and some of that and after that the post marketing surveillance also takes place, that gives the additional information about the drug safety or monitor the long term safety of that drug. In clinical research there is a placebo therapy also takes place to remove or to avoid the biasness in this clinical research, so that they do not know which group they are to be they are give that drug or not. There are single double blinded study also there. Because of this they what the participants or even the doctor don't know about the what kind of drug they are getting, and this and if there is a difference seen in control group and treatment group, then researchers also gives the effect or that mention on that data regarding that investigational drug. Then this result of both drugs or the both group of drug that are similar, that also enroll or that are divided in separate column, and the placebo effect, when there is any positive or negative effect, that also mention on that data, and that data used to gather the information about that drug. There are four phases that includes the phase 0. Phase 0 is a very small number of healthy volunteers that takes place, and the main goal of this phase 0 is to check that the drug given on human, the drug takes place, or the drug doesn't give any side effect on the human, because first preclinical study are going on that takes place on the animals, and we have to check that it is sufficient or it is safe for that human use. So that phase 0 includes that. Then phase 1 includes the about 20 to 80 volunteers, and that their main aim is to check the pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, then tolerability, minimum maximum dose, that all kind of data, the therapeutic dose or therapeutic effect of that drug also takes place and check in this phase 1 trial. And then phase 2 includes the number of patients, and the cohort study takes place in this phase 2, and it gives or it assesses the symptoms and signs of that disorder, and it also gives the additional information about the safety of that drug and effectiveness. The main aim of this phase is to find out the find out that the patient improve their symptoms or signs they are going through, and the tolerability also checking in this stage. Then phase 3 is a phase 3 includes about 300 to 3000 volunteers or patients that are participate in this trial, and it includes the therapy, or it gives the therapy of that drug on a large number of participants. And the main goal of this phase 3 is to find out or to confirm the safety and efficacy of drug, and determine whether there is any effective standard that was given by the drug, or additional safety information like side effect also takes place or find out in phase 3 trial. Then phase 4 is also conducted on, or it is a large group of study. We call it as a post marketing surveillance, and the additional information of periodic safety of that drug also takes place in this phase 4 and phase 4 trial. And the information or the any adverse event is not mentioned in a label drug, then in post marketing the additional information or any adverse event also mentioned or reported, that gives the that helps to monitor the safety profile of that drug, and in a large number of, or the large group of peoples, and with effectiveness. That's something.